Yo, what's good, YouTube? That's your boy Nicholas, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, I just want to talk about Nicholas Made It. You guys, you don't know that I was Nicholas Made It before I became Nicholas Beatmaker. You understand? So, there is this YouTube channel where I was pushing my music and promoting FS Studio Mobile, and I realized that I've posted close to about like 667 videos, and I lost the account due to like circumstances like forgetting your password and all that. But you can see that I was like making tutorials, very good tutorials, man. Like I was making very good tutorials. As you can see, I watch all these videos. I learn from Nicholas Made It, even though it's my own account, but I miss it, man. The reason why I created a new account is because of the fact that I just a recent beat which I made here. As you can see, I got shots, I got so many things. I was really like pushing the account, bro. I was pushing the account, and we were like growing as quick as possible. I was like pushing my music on BeatStars. Like, yo man, my music was all over the place, man. You made this on your phone. You made this on your phone. Like, imagine, bro, people don't really understand. They're surprised, bro. Like, let's play this one, man. It's fire, this one. So yeah, man, it is what it is, man. And I was using a different phone here, and then I lost the phone. I lost everything. Damn, this beat is fire for real, man. Oh my god. Mm, 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 mm. Hey. You know, so I lost my account, but as you can see, everything I was like pushing the account. I was like pushing my music. I was like posting, and I was active on here. But unfortunately, I lost it. It is what it is, bro. And all FS3 mobile producers, new and upcoming producers, to make sure you visit my page, go and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you comment to all my videos, watch all my videos, because I'm going to drop new videos that are going to change the way you make music in FS3 mobile. Make sure you go and visit the community. Make sure you always stay updated. Yeah, man, I'm going to drop free drum kits, free melody loops, free uh, samples that you can use in FS Mobile. Make sure you visit and stay tuned. I'm gonna drop on a daily basis, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. So if I drop on Tuesdays, then it's a lucky day. On Thursdays, and then I feel good about and I have to drop something. So make sure I drop free FML for each and every beat that I'm gonna make. So make sure you just go and run with it and see how I made the beat, and you can go and do yourself. So thank you for watching. You know, like bro, I missed I missed the account, to be honest. I missed the account. Like I missed the account. So Nicholas Beatmaker it's like Nicholas Made It in another way, but you know I couldn't stop making music because of losing the account. I had to continue doing what I love. But as you know, this channel was mostly focused on trap beats, man. I was like mostly focused on trap beats. Let me play this short. And I was also making R&B. I was making R&B. So yeah, man. Yeah, this one was the best beat I feel like I made on FS Studio Mobile, bro. Like, to be honest, damn, man. Yeah. And you can see on this beat I was using FX limiter. I was using on my master channel, just to make sure everything does not hit above the threshold line. I was mixing, I was mastering so well, everything was like legit. Yeah, but it is what it is, man. So Nicholas made it. You can see the views. I got like 200K, 200,000 views when I started the account from 2016. Yeah. So after losing the account, I was like, no, man, let me create another account, and I created Nicholas Beatmaker, and it's growing. You can see some of my popular videos. I got like 17K, 15K, 15K, 6.6K. It has been a season, bro. It has been a season. But anyways, it is what it is, man. I won't stop pushing. And yeah, for those who didn't know about my music, now maybe they know. I even released like tapes. I even released tapes. If I can show you, what is this? What is this? What is happening here? Oh, this is the other account. I got too many accounts. This is the other account, but okay. Okay. Anyways, yeah, man, that's it for this video. I just wanted to talk about my previous account, so that you guys can understand where I'm coming from and where I am going. So the account is growing, but nobody is monetizing it. Nobody is managing it. But if you can help me find my password, or retrieve my password through via some other things, so make sure you comment and tell me what I can do that could help me get this account back. Anyways, that's it for this video.